Hey guys, what's up? So today's the top best jerseys, 5, 11, 12, and 13 of 13.7. The first one is called Loon and Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Let's a moon icon appear while Do Not Disturb is enabled. This is called Lobelius. Redesign your lost screen player. Next is called Violet. Sweet addition to your wallpaper. Shows the artwork of your current playing song on more areas than just the music app itself. This is called Dress. Dress up your lost screen. Customize your lost screen with one tweak instead of needing multiple. This is called Spotify playlist number of songs. Shows the amount of songs in the Spotify playlist. This is called Spring to -5 and customize your device like I did before. So the only tweak that you're gonna need, customize your device the way you like it. It has more than 100 different options from the number and size of the icon from the home screen, animations, even to the most remote aspect of iOS. You finally have control over how your device looks and behaves. This is called My Device. Spring Load customization tweak allows you to set up your device however you like. So customize your device. This is called Linux and Ultimate Device Customization. This is called Translo. Basically, with this tweak, it's a Lightsaber's translate tweak. It can make your life really easy for trying foreigners. It translates apps for you, so it did add Flex. So these apps are compatible with Flex, Twitter, Facebook Messenger, and WhatsApp. More apps are coming soon. Supports iOS 13 and 14, and it's free. This is called SM Server. Send text from your browser. This is called Tab Blocker. It is able to block the open of new tabs for specified websites. Supports iOS 11 and 13. So, yep. This is called Music Transport. Support iOS 8, 9, 10. So, it might also support iOS 13. So transmit songs or sound effects into a call, mix your own voice. Other party thinks these sounds actually come from the place you're at the moment. So pretty cool actually. So you can really trick people, so they can think you're like a party or whatever you're at. You can play like anything you want. I think it's actually coming from the phone call, which really, it's really not. This is called Slide Cut. With iOS 5 to 13, slide shortcut via space key. Tap space key, then slide the shortcut key and release finger. This is called Safari Plus. Has basically a bunch of features for Safari. You have a privacy feature, upload and downloads feature, usability feature, so you can read about desktop load switch, disable tab limit, tab manager, always open links in new tab. So there's a bunch of features you guys have for Safari, so you can read them for yourself. You can even customize Safari too. Next is called Long Keys. Stay pressed on your emojis to display several emojis by holding a key. This is called Yobon Evolution. Gives you these features right here. This is called Fast LS. With iOS 11, 12, and 13. The fastest way to lock your phone. 1 or 2 clicks on the springboard. This is called Etsline. With iOS 10 to 14. Provides app multi-run features. You can log in multiple apps on your device for like your apps and games. So this is basically like an alternative to Slices 3. Alternative to Crane. This is called Linux. It's Ultimate Device Customization. This is called Fuji or Fuji multitasking tweak. So compatible with iOS 13 to 14. Tested devices, features, no issues. So that's what it looks like. This is called IP26 and free app purchased by Justin Pet 26. IP26 purchases on iOS 11 and 10 compatible. It also does work with iOS 13. I tested it, so yep. The IP26, that's like a local IP alternative. That's what it's called TW3 Hot. Tool to hack some programs, games, and remove ads and changes with Spring. This is called RG Board, Razer Chrome RG Board, RGB for default iOS keyboard. This is called Multipla, and Power 2 Dock. This is called Skinny Settings, gives minimal, useful, and small options to make better and more functional your settings application by adding these nice features. This is called Pick a Hide, tweak that disable Snapchat jailbreak tweak detection. This is called eKip, get iOS Control Center and notifications through your Mac OS. This is called Stalky, And basically, I want to check on your friends, recent stats, and profile picture updates on WhatsApp. With this tweak, you can do that. So, you add all your contacts updates in one page. You can view the images and read statuses updates. This is called What to Do 2 for WhatsApp. All-in tweak for WhatsApp Messenger. Supports iOS 8 to 14. So, these features right here. This is called Online Notify. Tired of waiting for your friends to come online on WhatsApp. This tweet tracks your selected WhatsApp friends, keeps you notified about their online offline status from outside and inside the WhatsApp. This is called Switcher Style Pro. Customize Switcher Style like iPad. This is called Deluminator, dark mode for the web. This is called Metal Lyrics Background. Enables iOS 13 lyrics background for any song. This is called FireDev for 812 plus devices. Also another one for FireDev for 812. Below 812 devices, pre-812 devices, and 32-bit devices. So it depends on the device you have. But what this tweak does, adjust JavaScript to explore iOS apps over USB. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.